first graders. All right, we're going to do our sounds. Are you ready? A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, O. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, Ah. P, Pam, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, Y, yellow, Y. Don't forget to be doing it with me. Z, zebra, Z. WH, whistle, W. SH, ship, Sh. CH, chin, Ch. TH, thumb. CK, sock. There's our glued sound. ALL, ball, O. Alright, good job, first graders. We're going to look at our vowels now. Are you ready? Get your finger ready. We're going to do A, apple. E, ed. I, itch. O, octopus. Keep up the good work. Stretching those vowels out. Use your finger. U, up. Alright, good job, first graders. Alright, I'm going to see if you guys remember what this is. You ready? We just went over this sound. What was that sound? Oh, if you said A-L-L, ball, all, you're right. And we mark it with a box. Alright. Remember, when you tap this out, the A-L-L is tapped out. It's glued together, so let's practice it. Ready? Ba-all. It's 3 fingers. You're going to glue those sounds together. Ba-all. Ball. Okay, are you ready? Let's do the next word. We're going to do fill. Get your tappers ready. Here we go. Fill. I-ll. Fill. Remember, the 2 L's make one sound. Okay? It is a bonus letter, so I-ll. Fill. Okay, now let's try this one. Let's see if we have to glue our fingers together or if we just do individual taps. This word is wall. Wall. You should glue those fingers together. Let's practice it. Fingers up. All. Wall. Good job. Let's do another one. Fall. Fall. Oop, I hear the all in there. Okay, let's tap it out. All. Fall. Okay, let's do one last one. Let's do haul. Haul. Ready? All. Do you see I've got those fingers glued together? Haul. Good job. All right, your turn. You're going to get out a piece of paper or a whiteboard. I have mine right here. And we're going to practice doing some sounds, some words, some trick words, and a sentence. Okay, are you ready? You're going to do this with me, and you guys are going to have to turn this in, okay? Are you ready? The first one is eh, eh, eh. What sound does eh make? That's an E. So I'm going to write an E on there. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you 2 more letters, and then you're going to make those sounds. The next one is what says If you wrote V, good job. Okay, we're going to do a word now. Are you ready? This word is Rick. Rick. Let's tap it out first. Ready? Get your tappers ready. Rick. All right. The first one is an It's an R, so it's going to be a name. So it's capital R. If. What says if? I-C-K. So I have Rick. How do I mark that? Well, the I is a short vowel, so I'm going to mark it with the breve. And I have a CK. I'm going to underline the digraph. Okay? All right. Here's your next word. Lash. Here we go. Let's tap it out. Lash. Lash. Okay. It has a digraph. Did you guys see that digraph? L. A. Sh. But it says S-H. How would we mark that word? Let's check. Do we have a short vowel? So we mark it the breve. Do I have a digraph? Yep, I'm going to underline the digraph. Good job. All right, our next one, we're going to do one more. Hall. Are you ready? Oh, does that have a glued sound? Listen, hall. Ready? All. Hall. Oh, I heard that glued sound. So I'd write it H. A. L. L. Hall. How do I mark a glued sound? Oh, I put a box around it, so I'm going to put a box around the A-L-L. But I also have to put what? Because I have a bonus letter. That's right, I have to put a star. Good job, first graders. All right, I'm going to see if you guys remember how to spell your. Let's see if you guys remember how to spell your. Pause the video and write it. All right, let's check it. Your is spelled Y-O-U-R. Good job. All right. You guys can use the same whiteboard or same piece of paper. I'm going to flip mine over for the sentences. We're going to write, the hall is a mess. And we're going to try and find the trick words and circle them. The hall is a mess. Remember, the T has to be capitalized at the beginning of the sentence. The hall. Oh, I heard a glued sound. Oh, so I know that's going to be A-L-L. So I put the first sound in front of it. And then A-L-L. Hall. Is I-S. A. Let's do mess. Let's tap it out. M-S. Mess. M-E. Oh, there's a short vowel and it has an S on the end, so it's a bonus letter. And then a period. My 2 sight words in there. Oh, an exclamation mark. The hall is a mess. All right. Is and A are my trick words. Good job, first graders. Give yourself a pat on the back.